Rainforest Boy. These children live near the rainforest. They want to play. They want to play with their friend Kurupira, the rainforest boy. Kurupira, they say Kurupira. Here is Kurupira. Kurupira is the rainforest boy. He lives in the rainforest and he loves the animals and the trees. Kurupira has red hair and strange feet. His feet are backwards. He is strong and very fast, and he can whistle very loud. The rainforest is very big, but the children are safe with Kurupira. The animals and trees are safe too. Kurupira is their friend. Come with me, says Kurupira to the children. Come and see something. The children go into the rainforest with Kurupira. They walk next to the river and up a hill. Then they come to a big trees. Look, says Kurupira quietly. Look at the jaguar with her cubs. And there under the trees are three little cubs with their mother. Oh, say the children, look at them. Sometimes bad men come and they kill the joggers, says Kurupira. They want their beautiful coats. We must stop the bad men. We must help the joggers so they are safe. Then the cubs can get big and strong. One day they can have cubs too. Please help them, Kurupira, says a little girl. The children follow Kurupira out of the rainforest. Then they say goodbye and run home. Goodbye, Kurupira says, come back tomorrow, come and see the joggers tomorrow. But a man is listening, a man with a gun, a hunter. I can kill those joggers and get their coats. Thanks the hunter. I can come back tomorrow with my friends and we can follow that boy. He can take us to the joggers. But Kurupira sees the hunter. The next day the children come back. The hunter comes back too. He comes back with his friends. Kurupira, the children say, let's go and see the joggers. Not today, my friends, says Kurupira. The joggers are tired. You cannot come with me today, but come back tomorrow. The children go home and Kurupira goes into the rainforest. He doesn't walk next to the river. He doesn't walk up the hill. He doesn't go to the joggers. Kurupira goes up some rocks and behind some trees. He goes up hills and down hills. He walks and walks. The hunters follow Kurupira and Kurupira knows it. All morning Kurupira walks. He walks and the men follow. The men are tired. They are hot and hungry. Where are the joggers? They think. The hunters come to a big tree. They cannot see Kurupira. They are hot and tired and hungry too. They want to find the joggers. Then one of the hunters says, look, his food friends. We can follow his footprints. They can take us to the joggers. Kurapira is up the tree. He laughs quietly. They are his footprints, but they are backwards footprints. They don't go to the joggers. They go down hills and up hills. Then they go out of the rainforest. The hunters follow the footprints. They are tired and hungry. Where are these footprints going? They ask, where is that boy? And where are the joggers? Then the hunters hear a whistle, a loud, loud whistle. What's that? They say. Is it an animal? Now they are afraid too. They are tired, hungry, and afraid. Where are we? They say, but they don't know, so they follow the footprints. All afternoon, the hunters follow the footprints. They hear another whistle and they are afraid. There are strange things in this rainforest, they say. It is evening now and they want to go home. These footprints aren't taking us to the joggers. They say, but can they take us out of the rainforest? The men follow the footprints, and at last they came out of the rainforest. I am afraid, says one of the hunters, and I don't want to come back here. No, say the others, let's go home. And they run home. Kurapira is in a tree. He sees the men and he laughs and laughs. The next day the children come back. Can we see the joggers today, Kurapira? They ask. Yes, you can see the joggers today. He says the joggers are not tired today. Are you helping them? Kurapira asked the little girl. Yes, says Kurapira. I always help the joggers. I help the rainforest and all the rainforest animals so they are safe.